Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In this video today, I'll be actually bounty hunting with the lightning fruit. I found this fruit quite interesting. Most people wrong today. Alright now, getting closer to the real action. Let's actually equip this fruit and start a showcase before I actually get into the real stuff. The fruit's kinda cool to be fair, but we don't know how it really is, so let's get into the showcase. First one of the Lightning Z move. It shoots a tiny lightning ball when you tap, but when you hold for a while it turns into a lightning dragon that can break the enemy's kin. Next one is the Lightning X. This summons a big thunderstorm that has a huge area of effect and stuns pretty well. It can destroy the Ken within the first 1 to 2 seconds in it. Here a little cool trick. It can also be paired with the Lightning Z move to create an infinite stun, but the opponent can slowly walk out of it from time to time. Alright, on to the next move, the Lightning C. This summons a massive cylinder-shaped lightning that also has a huge area of effect. It won't break Ken fast, but if it does, then this can lead to a crazy stun and combo starter. The ultimate lightning move, the Lightning V, summons a massive lightning ball above your head. The longer you hold, the bigger and further it goes. This instantly breaks Ken if you get hit with it, and is the best combo starters. I mean, look at the AoE. Last one is the Lightning F. There's nothing much about it than having an instant lightning dash, only for movements. Well, that's it for the fruit and the long intro. Let's get into the real part of the video, the bounty hunt. See ya.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began.